Hi guys, so let's continue from where we stopped on sword. Sorry that this topic is taking time, but it's a very wide topic and I need to touch it with care. Little by little, so that you guys will have full understanding of sword. It's actually a very simple topic. So let's now start rationalization of sword. This is the main point of me treating the topic, and this is where Waec, Neco, GCE, Jamb picks question from. They like rationalization, like anything. This is what I see mostly in OBJ and theory of Waec, Neco. So let's start. So I'll prefer to solve this first, then I'll go to this. So let's start with number 2. Number 2 is 8 minus 4 root 18 over 50. So now let me tell you the concepts of rationalization. What rationalization wants you to do with third question is the denominator, multiply both of them by the denominator. That's what rationalization is all about. That meaning that I should multiply this question, I should multiply the numerator by root 50 and the denominator too by root 50. But in this type of question here now, you see that we have two numbers at the denominator and they are combined with a sign. So for me to rationalize this kind of question here now, I told you that it's saying that I should multiply this, the numerator by the denominator and the denominator by the denominator. That means root 5 plus 2 now. I'll multiply it by 2 root 5 minus 2 and this same thing by itself. But there's a twist to it. I will change the sign when multiplying it. That means when I multiply this by 5, root 5 plus root 2, the sign here will change to plus. You understand when I start, so let's go straight to it. This will now be 8 minus 4 root 18. Let me put it in brackets. By root 50 over root 50 by root 50. So moving on, we're going to multiply this root 50 by each one. The reason why we're not putting sign is not affected is because it's just a number. So you just multiply by this thing by the numerator and denominator. So root 50 by 8, that will be 8 root 50 minus 4 root 18 by root 50 over root. So let me just tell you straight. Let me just tell you guys straight. When you see two numbers that are the same with the same root and everything, when you multiply them, the answer you get will be the number inside. Like now, root 50 by root 50. My answer is straight away 50. No need to go through the long stress of doing root 50 by root 50. That will be root 2500. You will still get 50. So, like now, root 3 by root 3, the answer is 3. So, root 50 by root 50, yeah, the answer is 50 straight away. So, moving on. 8 by root 50 can be divided into root 25 by root 2. Now, if I multiply them back, it will be root 50. So, minus 4 by root 18 can be root 9 by root 2, sorry. Then root 50 can be root 25 by root 2 over 50 is still there. So that will be equal to 8 by root 25 is 5 root 2 minus 4 by 3 root 2 times 5 root 2 over 50. That will be equal to 8 by 5, 40 root 2 minus, multiply these two first, 4 by 3 by 5, 15, root 2 by root 2, root 4 over 50. So that will be equals to 40 root 2 minus 4 by 5 by 15, 60. Root 4 is what? That's 2, sorry, over 50. So that will be equals to 40 root 2 minus 60 by 2 is 120 over 50. So separate them individually. That will be 40 root 2 over 50 minus 120 over 50. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So my final answer will be equal to 4 root 2 over 5 minus 12 over 5. So let's do the other part of the question now. Let's rationalize this straight away, what I told you from the principle. You multiply it by the denominator, 2 root 5. But the sign will change now to turn to plus, then root 2, over the same thing here with the sign being changed. So this one is going to take a little bit of our time. Yeah, so straight away, like how I told you that time, root 5, pick root 5, multiply it with everything inside. That will be 2 root 5 plus root 2. Pick that root 2, multiply it with everything here again. 2 root 5 plus root 2 over the same thing I did here. Do it. Pick 2 root 5, multiply it by everything here. That will be 2 root 5 plus root 2. Plus pick that minus 2 minus root 2, multiply by everything here. That will be 2 root 5 plus root 2. So let's now be careful with the sign and multiply it carefully. 2 root 5 by root 5, that will be 2. Now I told you root 5 by root 5 is still 5 times 5 plus root 5 by root 2, root 10. Okay, then plus 2 root 5 by root 2, that will be 2 root 10. Don't know if you are following me. Plus root 2 by root 2 is 2. You know that will be root 4, and root of 4 is 2. Over 2 root 5 by 2 root 5, that will be 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Root 5 by root 5 is still 5. Plus 2 root 5 by root 2, that will be 2 root 10. Then minus 2 root 5 by root 10, that will be 2 root 10. Then minus root 2 by plus root 2. Minus by plus is what? Minus. Root 2 by root 2 is 2. This one will cancel each other, plus and minus. So that will be equals to 10. Hey, you know there are root 10 and root 10. There's a coefficient invisible one here. So plus 1 plus 2 here. That will be plus 3 root 10. This plus 2 that was here before. Over 4 by 5 is 20 minus 2. So that will be equals to 10 plus 2 is what? 12 plus 3 root 10 over. The reason why I'm not simplifying this is because there's no perfect number inside it, like 9. So 20 minus 2 is what? 18. Let's now separate them. That will be 12. That will be 12 over 18 plus 3 root 10 over 18. So that will be equals to 6 can go here 2. 6 here 3. 3 here 1. 3 here 6. So our answer is 2 over 3 plus root 10 over 6. So guys, we've finished rationalization. There's nothing more you can see. It's something like this you guys will be seeing under rationalization. So this is the basic thing they ask. So you guys should, the only thing I'll tell you or advise you guys about is that be careful of the signs you are using. Like when multiplying a sign. Let's say you're supposed to put minus and you forget to put the minus, it will affect your final answer. So be careful of sign. A single mistake in the sign, but maybe this place here I put plus, it will make my answer wrong and I will miss it. And this question can be 12 mark in Waec like that. So thank you guys. Make sure to like, comment, ask questions in the comment section. I'll reply you guys and let me share and do things to help me grow my page. Thank you all.